What's going on, everyone? It's Marsellis back with another video. We gotta go over baby Dogecoin again. As you can see here, we bounced off the support line and now we're about to retest this resistance again. Anyways, hit the like button and subscribe. It really helps the YouTube channel out immensely for the YouTube algorithm. Go ahead and leave a comment in the comment section and let me know what you all want me to go over next. Also, if you want to help support the channel, definitely go ahead and send a donation through the Cash App or PayPal donation link in the description. And if you want these automated trading indicators, definitely check out the Vital Algo link inside of the description and use the discount code Marsellis for 25% off. And anyways, let's get started. I know you all seen this jump here. The second we hit this support line down here earlier around the 2680 area, we just went up huge here with baby Dogecoin. We almost broke out, but we got rejected a little bit at that resistance. As you can see with the red supply and demand areas showing less demand over that resistance line, so it pretty much just shows we have resistance up there. Now we are having good support back here, so as you can see we got some green areas here. That's our supply and demand showing positive demand for baby Dogecoin. Also, you can see here on the oscillator the selling is starting to lessen a little bit. So yesterday when we had the whole Ethereum bridge and the day before that, we had so much selling pressure. Like you can see here on the oscillator, all that selling pressure is actually started to lighten up a little bit. So anyways, the bears are still in control of the market by about 60%. 24-hour market control pretty much is what that is, which not too bad. It can be reversed very easily because it just can, because right now the bulls are in control by 40%. You got to think about it, the bears by 60. So all he has to do is take like a 20% increase, not a 20% increase, but like a 20% increase in volume, not like market cap. But anyways, a lot could happen here with baby Dogecoin. We're doing big stuff here with the charts here, so I'm definitely excited, because if we actually retest this resistance and then rise above that, that's going to end up having us build like lots of momentum here. But I do want to mention something right now. You got to remember the overall crypto market is really what's going to guide us through this red area. So if the whole overall crypto market keeps going down, then inevitably baby Doge will go down with it. But as you can see here, Bitcoin is up 2.1% in the last 24 hours, starting to recover a little bit at 58K. You had Ethereum up 5.9% in the last 24 hours, recovering at 4,300. So yeah, everything's pretty much trying to recover right now. So that actually might be some pretty good news there. I do want to mention over here, Shiba Inu up 15%. Shiba Inu is starting to gain more holders. So the more holders they gain, hopefully they don't pass us inside of this million holders competition pretty much that we have. But yeah, anyways, let's talk about the actual stuff here, baby Dogecoin. So something I really want to mention is about, like I just now said, the whole entire crypto market. If the whole entire crypto market continues to go down and dip, then baby Dogecoin will too. Now, I also want to mention something else about this, because if you think about it, right now at 58K Bitcoin, like that's still a good, buying opportunity if we were to go up, if this was a bear trap. But we don't know whether or not this is a bear trap or not. So what I wanted to say here is 58K isn't that low from the 68K that we had at our all-time high, or the 69K. So when you think about it, it could or could not be the bottom. Most likely we may have a little bit more selling going on. This probably is not the bottom, but it is a good start right now. But I do want to mention though, baby Dogecoin, you literally have to watch out for this, because as you can see, the whales are just dumping, but baby Dogecoin is starting to recover. Dogecoin is recovering. Bitcoin is recovering. Ethereum is recovering. But a lot of times what happens with this, people do some day trades here and there, and it is pretty much what causes this. People buy the dip, but then they sell it once it goes back up. So you got to think about that. You got to keep that in mind, and just don't go all in all at once, because that's not a good idea. You want to progressively buy in and buy the dips progressively. You don't want to just put it all in at once. Like if you have $1,000 you're trying to put in, maybe 100 now, maybe 100 tomorrow, maybe wait a few days, do another 100, something like that. But yeah, remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this financial advice. Just going over my personal views here about what I'm doing and how I'm going to tackle this. Now, let's go over the next thing here at baby Dogecoin. Our holders are pretty good right now. So right now we have 976,984 holders. That's a lot of holders right there. And actually, considering that baby Doge is like a little bit behind sheep, even though our market cap is very, very, very far behind sheep, our holders are like literally neck and neck with Shiba Inu. So we have good news here, 976,000. But as you can see over here, we have the Ethereum wallet also the Ethereum bridge over here, only 107 holders. Not many people bought into the Ethereum one, and that's kind of, it's because it's really because of the gas fees on Ethereum. Ethereum has way too much gas fees, way too many fees, and that's pretty much why no one is really trying to get Baby Doge on Ethereum. So that's pretty much why that's going on. Now, Shiba Inu, on the other hand, 982,000 holders. That's 982,248. Hit the refresh button, 982,306. So people are always up inside Shiba Inu. As you can see here, Baby Dogecoin, the holders are also going up progressively. Now we just now passed 977,000. So big milestones right here happening live on this video. Now I do want to mention a few other things. Crypto.com just now released some big news about Baby Dogecoin. Literally, Crypto.com just now listed Baby Dogecoin to their DeFi wallet, not to their normal one, but their DeFi wallet has now Baby Dogecoin on there. That's another avenue for Baby Dogecoin to continue to rise. So that's actually pretty big. Is really big actually. And Crypto.com has been doing so many different promotions. They're even changing the name of a whole stadium, like a whole sports stadium, and they're changing it to Crypto.com Stadium. So they're doing a lot of big stuff. They have some deals going on with the UFC and stuff like that. They have so much going on. So Crypto.com listing Baby Doge on their DeFi wallet is actually pretty big news. It's probably the biggest news that we have today. That is really good for us to have that on there. Now, moving on to the next thing, there's this whole petition, not petition, but there's this whole voting system going on for people to vote for Baby Doge or Shiba Inu. Most people are voting Baby Doge here for BKEX. So if you want to definitely try to vote here. I voted, and yeah, more people are picking Baby Doge than Shiba Inu. So you definitely want to pay attention to that, because if you're invested into both of them, I definitely believe both Shiba Inu and Baby Doge have potential, but I definitely believe Baby Doge has more upside potential. And the reason that is because the market cap is so much lower. Like Baby Doge's market cap is at 527 million. Shiba Inu, on the other hand, is like 28 billion. So if you just do the math there, like you do 28 billion divided by 527 million, and that's pretty much the difference we got there. So let's just do this now. So 527 million right here, and that is about a 53x from where we're at now. So if we got to where Shiba Inu is, we would do a whole 53x, and that's just a 53x from where we are now. Now, if we're talking about from the bare bottom, or where like people got in at like way back in the day in Baby Doge, that would be like 1,000x. So there's big stuff always going on with Baby Dogecoin. As you can see, Baby Dogecoin is up 30x from its all-time low. So we have so much good stuff going on here left and right. Anyways, Baby Dogecoin now at 8.8% in the last 24 hours. That's pretty good. But yeah, this is definitely good that we're always getting this media press time. Now they are releasing NFTs, so they're also teasing these NFTs too. They said, "What's your favorite? Also, what themes would you like to see for our NFTs?" So they're releasing the Baby Doge NFTs, and they're actually asking for people's opinion to get the best out of the experience. So I definitely want to see them release more of these NFTs. I want to see these NFTs do well. So if you all are in NFTs, I guess these are definitely good places to start. I don't know much about NFTs, so I can't really talk too much on the NFTs. But the NFTs are definitely going to help Baby Dogecoin out, because there's a lot of people interested in them. Now, over here we have our PalmMap 2021. Remember, we just now did our wallet tracker. We just now did our Ethereum bridge. We're releasing NFT collections as we speak. And now the only things for us to do is the Baby Dogecoin wallet, which is going to be huge. They have to get the CertiK audit, just like they had to do with the Ethereum bridge. They're going to have to do the CertiK audit for Baby Doge wallet as well. They're going to have to do the virtual and physical Baby Doge debit cards. They're going to have to do an audit for that as well. But that's going to be really big. It's going to literally turn Baby Doge into a physical currency. And then you're going to have to get the Baby Doge exchange. That's also going to be big, because not only will you be able to trade Baby Doge, but you can also trade other things. And then you can just take and deposit money straight from your card in your bank account straight into the Baby Doge exchange. So all of this is really good stuff for Baby Dogecoin. I definitely have big faith inside Baby Doge. As you can see, the Baby Doge Arcade is also going to be coming out, and the Baby Doge NFT Marketplace. They're already talking about releasing NFTs, so it's only a matter of time that the NFT Marketplace comes out as well. Now, praying for 5 zeros, praying for 4 zeros somewhere around that time. By like the end of next year, I want to see 5 to 4 zeros. I don't care where it is, as long as it's 5 to 4 zeros. I'm good with that, or more. Definitely really fine with that. But yeah, definitely watch out for what happens next here in Baby Doge. But yeah, anyways, definitely hit the like button and subscribe. It really does help the YouTube channel out immensely for the YouTube algorithm. If you do want to go ahead and support the channel, definitely send a Cash App or PayPal donation through the donation link in the description. It would really help me out a lot. And also, if you want these automated trading indicators, definitely check out the Vital Algo link in the description and use the discount code Marsellis for 25% off. And as always, I'll be back with another video. Peace.